Welcome my beautiful viewers and subscribers. This is your girl Sonia from Sonia Creative Kitchen, and today I'm going to do some oven jerk chicken back. So follow me panda one here. So right over here guys, I already have the chicken back seasoned from yesterday, and I will show you the seasoning process. Check in guys. Today I'm going to season and clean up some chicken back for some oven jerk chicken back. So follow me on the process here. So guys, I'm going to remove the excess fat. Don't want too much of that. Clean it well. Sometime guys, I'll season up my meat for a few hours, but for today I'll do it from overnight. Nothing to me like my chicken back. Left in the comment section, everybody. See how them chicken back are pretty? I know nothing normal. Nothing normal, guys. The reason for cracking this bone, guys, so you see it can be level. Good old Murgy. Get a steak. Guys, you can't go wrong with some good seasoned chicken back, curry brown stew, French fry, jerk, one pot, whatever. Good to go. Very fleshy. Leave some of the fat on there. guys, now that my meat is washed, my chicken back is washed and clean, one of my favorite meat in the whole world. Now is this time for seasoning. Favorite spice, pimento. Maybe a teaspoon of sugar, brown sugar, half teaspoon of cinnamon powder, half teaspoon of nutmeg, and mix spice together. Right here I have some jerk seasoning, Maggi all-purpose seasoning, about 2 tablespoons each. Chicken seasoning, Maggi chicken seasoning, 2 tablespoons each. So guys, I'm gonna rub this in well.
That into your meat. Give your meat a good old rub. That's it. Nice and hot. Hot and spicy meat. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Jerk chicken. Jerk it.
Well. Look how beautiful this look, guys. Rubbing all the dry ingredients in the star of the show. This jerk chicken back is gonna be the bomb. Now guys, I'm gonna add my blended season. This blended season of scallion, thyme, garlic, ginger, vegetable oil, and you have some browning in there. So I'm gonna use all of this. Scotch bonnet pepper, everything in a desire. Wow, smell this, guys. You can't miss. So guys, now that my chicken back is seasoned, I'm going to put it away for my oven jerk chicken back tomorrow. Let it sit overnight. Look how pretty this look, guys. Look, well seasoned. Love it. Process. So now I'm going to get it on the tray right here. Can't go all everything in, but still we are gonna work with what can't hold upon it. So the thing go. So the thing go. Smells so good. Well seasoned. Well seasoned, guys. Look at this chicken back. Look like a chicken leg. Let's try squeeze one more penny, small one, yeah, so. So now guys, I'm going to add it in my oven. My oven already preheated, so I'm gonna put it right in there. So now guys, I'm going to leave it to do his thing and I'll check in with you later. Guys, I'm going to check in for my chicken back. So look guys, coming on nicely, beautiful. Can't wait to taste this. Check in guys on my oven jerk chicken back. The next time you see me, I'll be tasting this goodness. Welcome back guys. Now my oven jerk chicken back is ready. Look at this chicken back guys. This I talk for itself. Me no need for so much more than just eat. Big up to me uncle Zaga, aka Deran, the one pan chicken man, Jacksontown Square. Big up yourself. I remember guys when I was a kid and my uncle would jerk this every Friday evening. My cousin and I would just line up and he would chop it up with ketchup, fried dumpling or bread or roast breadfruit. Wanna know the thing go already. So chicken back, I one of the go-to things in a Jamaica. So now, I go test this. You know, dip it right in the sauce, yeah. Some barbecue sauce, guys, with some scotch bonnet pepper cut up in it.
Into the mouth. Nice.
Let me eat first, guys. This is so good. Right amount of flavor. The pepper just right in it. This tastes good. This tastes amazing. Almost what me want to sing. Almost make me want to sing, guys. Trust me. This is so good.
And I gotta tell you, it was perfect. Perfect. Everything, down to the last minute details.
This is delicious. Guys, this is so good. So guys, we have made it to the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Tell a friend if you tell a friend. And remember say, we say Jamaica. See you on the next video. Bye.